Shame. I'm sorry to say so. Your report is one-sided. It's a shame. What about the hostages? What about the access of the Red Cross for the hostages? Is there any access for them? No. It's a breach of humanitarian law. What about the terroristic attack against civilians, against families, mothers, children? What do you say about that? Did I hear ever anything of you when Hamas took over the Gaza Strip and when they killed their Fatah brothers? Israel, we have the only democratic state, which we don't see anywhere in the Near and Middle East. They send rockets from Lebanon, they send rockets from Yemen, they send rockets from the Gaza Strip. What about that, about humanitarian law? And Jews are no more safe in Europe. They are not safe in Netherlands, they are not safe in France, they are even not safe in Switzerland. Because we have those terrorists here, and the only place where Jews should be safe is in Israel, and if they cannot be safe there anymore, then we will have a revival of a second Holocaust, and you will be responsible for it. So we should support Israel in its right of self-defense and release the hostages, and then this nightmare will be over. Thank you.